Oh my god, let's take a moment.
Trying to have me killed is an odd way of saying thank you. There are two people in King's Landing who can give an order to a king's guard. Did you, or did you not, order Sir Mandan to kill me during the Battle of the Black?
Hey guys, so it is Wednesday night. I've just finished work. We are just smashing it. We hit budget yesterday, so today was just so chill. So I'm just leaving work and I'm on my way to Kayla's house. It's her birthday today, so all the girls are going around there for some drinks and we're gonna play some card games and just hang out and catch up and obviously spend the night with Kayla for her birthday.
They've not done enough carrots when there's a vegetarian here. Why the fuck is the cat on the table?
You wrote me an address, it was Camilla. I was like, is that where I'm supposed to put my hair Comfort? Where am I?
This isn't actually Cam's
Oh. Only two things in life are certain: death and finger painting.
Birthday to you! Ice cream! Happy birthday, dear Kayla! Happy birthday to you! Yes! Did you just spit on the cake? I wanted to do it in one go.
What's wrong with your eye? Why is he winking at me? Oh my god, you are so handsome.
People just don't
Mum's new
copy
colouring
businesses,
book.
you know what I mean? Salesman and the company buy shirts from China and sell shirts to workforces, primary schools, high schools, and he just goes from school to school with his product, gets the stuff of it, and then gives it to the people. It's just like, he just sits in his office, pays someone to go pick up.
Trust me, he says.
Hey, right.
Hey loves, it's our friend Cam's birthday this weekend, so we're just going there for a couple of drinks and whatever he wants to do because it's his birthday, so yeah. This jacket is so thick, it doesn't look it, but it is. And I'm wearing leather pants because why not?
Guys, we ditched the party to come Pokemon hunting because we're not mainstream enough for parties. Everyone's just parked up getting the lures. Oh, it's so cold in my new room, guys. It's having a snug.